Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Robyn with Robyn's Southern Nest. Today I'm going to be doing a few things around the house. This whole process probably took a little over an hour to get it all done, but I call it like my power hour. So I just try to get as much done as I can in an hour. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. So as you can see, I'm starting in the bedroom. I like to get the sheets in the washing machine before I do anything else. That way I can go ahead and flip the laundry after my hour. So I like to get as much done as I can in that hour while the first load is running. As you can see, I have my little helper. He is always in tow when I am doing anything around the house, so he just keeps me on task. I'm gonna head over to the kitchen and put away some random things on the counter and just get all the surfaces clean. I need to clean out the sink as well. I just got back from the grocery store, so there are just some straggling things that I need to put away before I get this space cleaned. And we have marble countertops, so I just use my DIY cleaner for the marble. And then you'll notice I have like a glass cutting board. I usually use like Clorox wipes since we use that surface the most. So I do recommend, if you have marble countertops, get like a nice cutting board or something that you can put things on, so that way you can kind of protect your surfaces. And as always, I like to link everything that I'm using in the videos in the description up top. So all you do is, if you're watching the video in IGTV, go ahead and at the top there's a little arrow. Just click that and it'll have a pull down menu, and then I'll have a link of anything that I've used in today's video. If it's something decor related, just shoot me a little DM or something in the comments, and I'll be glad to link that for you. And I don't know what it is about cleaning my sink. I feel like it's super relaxing for some reason. I don't know, I might just be a weirdo, but does anybody else feel that way? Moving on to Sunny D's room, I need to fill up his robot with some litter. Kato is always on alert. He's like, what are you doing in there? Silly guy. And onto the dining room, I just need to go ahead and vacuum this rug. Sunny likes to come in here and look out the window, so typically his hair is in here the most. We don't really use our formal dining room that much. He's probably used it more than we have, to be honest. And I just needed to straighten up in here a little bit, fold some blankets, fluff some pillows, and vacuum as well. I'm so excited, you guys. I finally found a rug for this space. It'll probably take a while to ship because it's a 10 by 14, but it's been the hardest thing, like trying to find the right colors for this room. It's definitely a darker rug, but I didn't go too dark, since the walls and the drapery in here is pretty dark anyway. So can't wait to show you all that. Hopefully it'll be in the next week or so, so stay tuned for that. And I had vacuumed this yesterday, so I want to go ahead and hit it with the steam mop. I use a Shark vacuum. And before I do that, I just put a few drops of essential oil. I'm using peppermint today on the pad of my steam mop. It just makes it smell nice. I don't like to put the oil like necessarily on the pad that's touching the floor because I don't want it to be like greasy or anything. But there's something about that steam hitting that pad with the essential oils. I just love how nice it smells. And this hallway back here just needed some vacuuming. This is right outside our den, and then this hallway leads to our bedroom if you're kind of confused as to where this is in our house. It's not an area I typically share. It's just kind of like this random hallway that is on the other side of our house. So I just needed to go ahead and vacuum that area, and now I'm going to move on to our bathrooms. And for the bathrooms lately, I've just been using Clorox wipes. It's just the easiest thing, especially to like disinfect a bathroom. That way you can just like throw it away afterwards. But that's kind of been my go-to for our bathrooms lately, is just to use Clorox wipes and call it a day. Here's my little sunny buns. He just had to make a little appearance real quick. Okay, now that my side is done, I'm going to move on to Chris's side of the bathroom. I just have a few things I needed to put away before cleaning his counters and then cleaning his toilet as well. And if you're new here, I'd love to say hello in the comments. So tell me if you're new, where you're from, whatever you'd like to share. I'd love to hear from you guys. Now that the bathrooms are clean, I absolutely hate doing bathrooms. I'm just gonna mop them another day. Don't have the energy today. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands, get all the germs off, and then go ahead and do more laundry. Thank you guys so much for flying by today. I really hope that this has inspired you or relaxed you, whatever the case may be. And I will be back next week with another cleaning video. Thank you guys for watching.